Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to enable bonuses on Instagram Reels. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your profile at the below right corner. And as you can see, my account is on professional mode or a creator mode. So what I'm going to do, in order, if you don't have that option, or if your account is on the personal account, just go ahead right here and click the three bars and go ahead to the settings. Go ahead to your account and make sure that you add a new professional account, and from there you're gonna follow the steps and you're gonna choose the creator option from it. Afterwards, you're gonna see your settings just like this. After you switch to your professional mode, I'm gonna just go ahead to the creator and I'm gonna just go ahead to the monetization status. And that means that if I'm able to monetize my Instagram Reels, that means that if you switch your account to a professional account and started to post Instagram Reels, you'll be able to get bonuses out of these reels, depending on how many views, how many comments, likes, and all that. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.